Hello everyone. You can see me in the reflection of the bedroom doors. This is the master bedroom doors that will open up into a private patio space. So this is going to be like a sanctuary. There's going to be there's first of all there's an outdoor shower going right here, a screen going all the way across there, and there'll be a pergola here where there's going to be seating and actually workout equipment. A fountain is going to go here, and then from this sanctuary space we'll walk out to, we have the jacuzzi here, which is getting new tile, or getting the tile put on it. The house, obviously, the pool, and then right here we just added a bar is going to go here for serving, a bar with a refrigerator and stools. And then here is going to be an edible garden. Here we're going to have drought-tolerant Diamondia ground cover for a little bit of like a lawn kind of feel here, with some fruit trees going to go back there. And then our deck, which is being built right now, is starting here. So the deck is going to go all the way across here and go over the coping to the edge of the pool. And the deck is going to go along this edge, and right there where that pole is a fire pit, right where he's standing right there. It's going to be a fire pit and a seating area with a jasmine screen and some storage back there. So that's the progress that we have for today. It's coming along nicely. We got the patio, the dining area where those two are standing. And that's it for today.